There's a timely and unique project opportunity for the state of Georgia. The team being assembled for this venture includes engineers and social scientists, former and current college professors, and green economy business consultants from multiple disciplines. They are all drawn to the unique promise and potential of McAllister Technologies to successfully deal with and offer a unique solution opportunity to the rapidly escalating climate crisis. The capstone piece to McAllister Technologies is a remarkable new industrial innovation called the HydroCarbon splitter. The importance of this device to the climate solution movement cannot be overstated. Roy E. McAllister has invented a patented, remarkably efficient technology to turn unwanted carbon waste into clean and green, high-demand products that produce strong positive cash flow, which supports long-term sustainability. The feedstock for the hydrocarbon splitter is methane, CH4, which is made of hydrogen and carbon, hence the word hydrocarbon. Methane comes in two varieties, biomethane and fossil fuel methane. Biomethane comes from biomass, which means anything that rots or burns. This typically means garbage, sewage, farm waste, cow poop, food waste, and forest slash, etc. Using biomethane for the hydrocarbon splitter is ecologically advantageous because it provides a clean and green way to dispose of our waste. Also, because biomass is ultimately made from plants, which are made from the photosynthesis that naturally draws carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere, using biomethane in the HC splitter will be a critically important tool for mitigating climate change. The hydrocarbon splitter takes the CH4 molecule and splits it into green hydrogen and solid carbon in an unprecedentedly clean and cost-effective way. The green hydrogen can then be used as zero-emission fuel or sold on the open commodities market. It could also be made into McAllister's new zero-emission liquid fuel, METROL, that could easily replace gasoline, diesel, marine diesel, and sustainable jet fuel. The primary benefits of METROL include the fact that A. Existing gasoline and diesel infrastructure could be readily used for METROL. B. Converting existing internal combustion engine vehicles to run on METROL can be done much quicker and cheaper than other alternatives, thus responding to the new climate urgency. And C. METROL engines actually clean the air they drive through, so they essentially become air cleaning devices. The solid carbon can be readily transformed into uniquely low cost and therefore extremely high profit carbon fiber, graphene, and carbon nanotubes. These are high-tech miracle materials that are stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and that don't rust, which up to now have been far too expensive for widespread use. For sites like Mitchell County, Georgia that are industrial and have, for example, ethanol refineries for biomethane and easy access to fossil fuel methane, which is basically the same as natural gas, both gases will play a pivotal role because the hydrocarbon splitter can essentially decarbonize either of them. This not only turns such gases into zero-emission fuel, it produces the extremely high-profit carbon byproducts that will make both natural gas and biofuels much more lucrative than they are now. The remarkably high profit margins from the hydrocarbon splitter could essentially finance the climate solution movement. Instead of an environmental villain, carbon becomes the 21st century hero of sustainability. And it could all start here in Georgia.